Hello, my correalistic people. How una dey? Thank you very much for you. They always dey support me for this channel. I really appreciate it. In fact, I no go fit thank una enough. Una too much. Seven gboza for una. My wonderful family, you know, say me, I remain loyal to una for this particular channel. Say as e dey come, na so I go dey bring am. They call dey give una. So with this little words when I want tell una today, na message from His Excellency Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Yes, so now he bring the message come. I know say so many people go say, hey, Akashawa Pro, which one be your own? How come you know say na Mazi Nnamdi Kanu na send them? In fact, I tell you now before, say anything where we want hear. Now if I is your format, now we dey hear am. Now he be the only person where we say if they give us the news as they come, we dey receive them as they hot. If una recall with me, una go know a lot of problem where be say Hope Uzodinma don cause this IPOB movement. In fact, he and His Excellency Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, they no dey agree at all. Why? Because if anything happen for southeastern part of Nigeria, now if first they jump, they come aside, they say, oh, na IPOB, na Nnamdi Kanu, he go do this, he go do that. My people, not being when this thing can happen between Rochas and his son-in-law, as Ifeanyi Ejiofor go visit His Excellency Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, na tell am say see wetin dey happen o. Believe me, na so His Excellency start to dey pray. He start to dey lay curse on anybody wey be say dey cause distraction for this movement, on anybody wey be say dey try to dey, in fact dey betray this movement, on anybody wey be say e dey try to carry first information about the IPOB. When something go happen, they go say na IPOB. Una no see the way God dey do something. How policemen, police women, military men, uniform men, they will come mask up themselves, come enter inside church, inside the house of God, say that they go dey arrest somebody. That one not be kidnap. See, the truth of the matter be say some things when they happen for southeastern part of Nigeria, they don't bring themselves out. Honestly, this thing e not get case again. Una know say Ifeanyi Ejiofor sef cause say with this thing when it happened now another clear evidence for them to carry go court on January 8th. Oh, una know say January 8th na His Excellency Mazi Nnamdi Kanu go appear for court. He say with this thing na another leg where be say the Nigeria government don give them now say wetin they go talk for there be say una say na IPOB dey do all these things, una say na Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, una say na Eastern Security Network, but when the truth come out, na wetin happen. Even Rochas Okorocha use him mouth talk and say na politicians dey do this thing. He say a lot of things when e dey happen, he say not be IPOB at all. He say na majority na Hope Uzodinma na they bring them, they come. He say those people where they see, so they not be people where be say they go any training say under government military or one thing. He say na Ebube Agu na they do those things. Now say true. If you really reason the matter, my wonderful family, how police won't go arrest person, they go mask up. Not be say they put anything to show say they be police, nothing. They say even their plate number back, they cover them. If not be some people where be say they know the car, say no, all these cars now from government house. You know, see, they go, they talk, say, now one he lost when he park for there. You see, all these people where you they see, some of them they work together with the Nigeria police. So yes, so because me, I not remove them, all of them they be the same thing. Because it can't be like say for the southeastern part of Nigeria, say these people when they do this thing, they cover up. You understand? Because he get the time when be say Hope Uzodinma launch this Ebube Agu. He can say these people they work together with Nigeria police. You see, but then they forget, say you see that city, they not go stay there forever. If Rochas Okorocha when he first sit down for that seat, not dey there forever. You no say one day yourself you go still come out. Go not let you go, come not let you come. But anyways, we go see the way the matter go take arise with the way it go take end. But the only thing now be say the world don't know now say na Nigeria government, na Hope Uzodinma na uniform men na they come as innocent people cause they do that kidnapping. They will call go back say they see one heal us because no wonder my people any video where we dey carry about how something happen for Imo State or southeastern part of Nigeria, na in-laws na they be the vehicle. They will call say, oh, this in-laws now they say that they use that time because in-laws every time na in-laws na the same in-laws now still pack for that church. You see the way God they do something. See if God they do something, you go think say maybe they delay. But e no dey delay o. E say delay is never denial. That delay when that thing dey delay, you never know why that thing dey delay. You know say God dey give these people time. Then Biafrans they no know say God dey like this go come be say he go use this thing as testimony, like testimony for inside court, like evidence, witness against them. Make hope Uzodimma make it come out, make it cut talk. Because Russia said doctor can say he get many when he go prove we dey wait because all of them so they be the same. Make we wait, make they start to dey prove themselves. The other time Ebonyi state governor come and talk and say this thing when it dey happen na politicians, he know the boys, he see the people. But believe me, before daybreak we no know wetin happen. Oga never come out again cut talk since then. Na so that they talk one go say if he open him mouth talk wetin dey happen he say everywhere go catch fire. Open your mouth talk now, they go enter inside house. But if something happen when they call IPOB name and Emmanuel Powerful, the social media director, if he come out call debunk the news, they Uzodimma go just come out, he go say, hey, na so they do. When you don't commit crime finish, na they first they rush they come, they tell the world say, no be demo, but how markets. You see, now so God they do something. And you know say if not be say na IPOB where be say they stand to make sure say this thing they see the truth. Believe me, people from every year but believe our social media people, they just they tweet, they share because this thing does too much. Now the world don't look at now say IPOB na innocent of all the charge against them. I beg the only prayer we they pray now be say is in Celeste Mazina the Kanu. On January 18th, now be a court date. So if you forget, make I tell you now, because that day God won't do something where be say anybody not even imagine say the thing go happen that day. Now that type of thing I won't take place. So my wonderful family, now the news where be say I bring God given now be this one, because we must talk. We must talk as far as this matter is concerned, and God don't vindicate IPOB again. We go must they bring the news they come. So anywhere where you dey, may you remember God in prayers. May you remember His Excellency Mazina the Kanu in prayers. Remember the Eastern Security Network in prayers. Remember all the freedom fighters in your prayers. So make I just drop the curtain here. Now me that they call Akan Shower Pro, and now they bring the news they come back to back. I beg, if you know say you never subscribe to this beautiful shine, wait till you dey wait, I beg. Click on that red subscribe button so when it says subscribe, and turn on the bell icon for more latest updates. For now, I say make una well done. Bye.